Hey YouTubers, this is Old John. Today I'm going to try to show you how to troubleshoot and repair your Nordic Track treadmill. My wife's treadmill, which she's had since 2005, has started making a lot of noise. So we suspect it's probably the motor. She called Nordic and they gave her some troubleshooting ideas, and I'm going to show you what we discovered. This is a Nordic 2300 unit, so I think you can use these same techniques on any treadmill, maybe, at least to give you some idea of what to look at next. So we began by taking off the covering of the motor. The motor rests in this part of the unit. There are a series of screws on top that we took out, and they're pretty tricky to get to. You have to do it from beneath. But then the easier screws are here underneath the front. And here's one that I haven't taken out yet. Just show you where it's located. Right there, and I've already loosened it, so go ahead and take it out. There are 3 of these located along the front, and then it's just a matter of lifting up the cover. It comes off like so. So you see the motor. This is the controller over here. I think we replaced that years ago. There again, this is a 2005 unit, and this is 2013 in October, so almost November. So it's a pretty old machine, but it's commercial grade and it's really worked well. Here's the motor, which we're going to be troubleshooting today. And the first thing you do is to make sure this drive forward pulley is not connected to the motor, because we want to be able to make sure the noise is coming from the motor and not the pulley. So the first thing we need to do is connect a little spring here, and I've already got it disconnected, but it basically connects into this hole, and you just basically pry it out and pry it loose. Then you turn on the machine and see if you're still getting the noise. And if you're still getting the noise, then it's going to be the motor. And the motor is fairly easy replaced just by taking out these screws that are holding it to this bracket, and then disconnecting these 3 wires that connect into the control unit. So let's try turning it on and see how it sounds. Okay, we're going to start the treadmill now. Attach the key. And there's a noise, but the true test is to get it up to, and you may have trouble hearing me, 8 miles per hour. And as you can hear, it's extremely loud. And of course, this pulley is not turning because we disconnected the spring. So this confirmed to us and to the customer service person that it's the motor. And so we will be getting a new motor. And then when we get the new motor, I'll show you how to remove this motor and install the new motor in another video. This is Old John signing off.